What's up everyone? I have, by popular request, a lens that you guys and girls wanted to see, especially that I asked on the community page. Now, I own the 16 to 35 f4 lens that I use for my Canon cameras. Really love this lens, under $1,000. But why do people really have interest in a $3,000 lens? Let's dive in and check out the Canon 11-24, about $2,700, $3,000 f4 lens. Now this is a big piece of L glass, and as soon as I pick up the box, I was like, oh my God, what the hell? So, I mean, it's just rather large. So when you get it, it comes with a case that you're never ever going to use. The lens cap, which once again, this is more of a bowl type lens, so you're not able to use original filters or anything like that. And the cap right here is just something that you just stick on and you kind of just put over top. And you kind of go from there, but that's that. Further into this guy right here. Oh wow, they just want you to pull out the whole thing. Whoa, this thing has some major weight to it. That's about it from the box. But yeah, wow, this thing has some crazy weight to this bad boy. So let's just open it up. That is a hunk of glass. See if you can get it in this angle right here. Wow, that is a thick piece of glass right here. And it's still shocking that this is $3,000, and it's not, an f2.8 lens or something like that. Now, f4 for me, like I've made a video on, is absolutely fine for the most part, so you don't have to worry about that. But I mean, you're getting a very, very large, very heavy lens for your wide angle, and I mean, this thing is quality. It is solid feeling. I'm going to put it on one of my cameras soon that I'm testing out and go from there. But I mean, night and day. You have the 11-24 here, which is heavy, 16 to 35, which is very lightweight for what it is. This does have image stabilization, and this guy right here does not. I really would have liked to have seen that in this as well, for the price point and everything. But going forward, I'm really interested to see how this provides in the wide angle and to see how fast this autofocus is if you need it. So I'm going to throw this onto a camera and we'll go from there. So I have the 11-24 on right here. I'm just going to, play with this a little bit. I have this on this camera right here. And once again, just kind of, I mean, you can get a lot of information in this lens. I mean, on a lot of cameras, maybe on the 5D series, this will fit really well. 6D series maybe. But this is really going to be front heavy for a lot of cameras, and this camera is handling this very well because of the build quality and the build size of it. But I can say it's actually focusing extremely fast. It's just very, very heavy. I'd be excited to see what long exposures and stuff I could get out of something like this. But I mean, yeah. So very, very interesting weight on something like this guy right here, with the 11-24 and the 1D. So that being said, right here, this works like a charm. Once again, I don't know how it's going to be for $3,000, but I want to thank B&H Photo for sending this over so that way I can unbox it, and that way I'll be able to do my review. Not paid or sponsored in any way. They're just helping with the gear because, as I said, I really wanted to compare both of these side by side, and this is going to be a huge opportunity to do so and maybe help answer some questions. I mean, once again, there's about a $2,000 price point difference between these two guys right here. So I'm interested to see what results I can get out of this, especially if I probably head into New York City or something like that, and go from there. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just see how it goes. But first impressions are this bad boy is pretty massive. A little bit changed from the 16 to 35. Even the 2.8 is a little bit heavier than this, but it's still less. As you can also kind of see, the sizes are also a little bit different. This is a little bit more kind of compacted, where this is a little bit longer. But once again, there's less glass in the 16 to 35 compared to this one. And, that's what's weighing this down a little bit. Review to come soon. Stay tuned. This will probably be done in the new year. I might do a vlog soon that you might see this in. I don't know if I'm going to be able to have an opportunity, maybe involving like a helicopter or something that I might use this in. So you might see it in that, you might not. If not, I'll have a review probably in the new year in 2018. So quick impressions. Wow, it's expensive. Wow, the quality and the build quality is just heavy on something like this. And it kind of reminds me of the Tamron 15 to 30 2.8 lens. But Any questions about this that you'll have, write those down below. Any specific thing you want to see, maybe between a comparison between both, absolutely let me know down below. But yeah, let me just show you what it looks like. Right now I have a 24-70 on this right here. So let me just kind of pop on the 11-24 just to see what it looks like in regards to tracking and all the space you're getting. And I am standing, I'm literally, where's this at? I'm less than 4 or 5 inches away from this right here. I'm at 11 millimeters, and this is how you're seeing me. Stop down to make it look a little bit better, I guess. So that's it right there. I mean, you're getting everything. Insane. See my kitchen back there too. But even if you go to 24, you know, that's what it looks like at 24. And let's just kind of hear how it handles like dual pixel autofocus. I do have a Rode video mic up here. I mean, it's picking up rather well as well. So, I don't know. This thing looks like it's going to be pretty good. I mean, compared to the 16-35, we'll see. But this thing is probably worth $3,000 for a reason. It's just hard to spend that on a lens.